Please raise your right hand and please fill in the blanks with your details, and you may now proceed with your oath.
Ako si Jose Sabion Aquino II ng Barangay Diego Silang, Lungsod ng Butuan, Pilipinas, nahalal sa katungkulan bilang representante sa distrito ng Lungsod ng Butuan, ay taimtim na nanunumpa na tutuparin kong buong husay at katapatan sa abot ng aking kakayahan ang mga tungkulin ng aking kasalukuyan, katungkulan at ng mga iba pa. Pagkaraan nito'y gagampanan ko sa ilalim ng Republika ng Pilipinas na aking itataguyod at ipagtatanggol ang saligang batas ng Pilipinas na tunay na mananalig at tatalima ako rito na susundin ko ang mga batas, mga kautosang legal at mga dekretong pinaiiral na mga sadyang itinakdang may kapangyarihan ng Republika ng Pilipinas, at kusa kong babalikatin ang pananagutang ito nang walang anumang pasubali o hangaring umiwas. Kasiyawan nawa ako ng Diyos.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Congressman Aquino. Let us take a listen to the message of the Congressman of the Lone Congressional District of Butuan, Honorable Jose Sabihon Aquino II.
The presiding judge of the Regional Trial Court, Branch 5, our administering officer, Honorable Leia Sahulga Kanya, our outgoing City Mayor, Engineer Ronnie Vicente C. Lagnada and family, our incoming Mayor, Attorney Lawrence Lemuel H. Fortune and family, our incoming Vice Mayor, Honorable Renante Dishata and family, our city councilors, heads of regional line agencies, city government department heads, barangay captains, kagawad, SK chairpersons, fellow public servants, my wife Mimi, my children Miboy, Nana, Jam, and my siblings, fellow Butuanons, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, maayong buntag sa atong tanan. Today, we witness not only the oath-taking ceremony of the newly elected officials, but also the symbolic turnover of responsibility from Mayor Ronnie to Mayor Lau. It has been an incredibly humbling opportunity working with these two pillars of one Butuan, both of whom led with vision, purpose, and clarity. Borrowing the words of Vic Iduave, Mayor Ronnie is a mayor who saw gold where others saw poverty. He saw a city hall that had forgotten its worth and helped us see the abundance beneath our feet. He He presented a clear vision of Lagsik na Dakbayan. He made us believe in that vision. He made us embrace that vision. He inspired us with his political will. And he walked the talk. He embraced us again that vision. He led the execution of that master plan of political will. For 9 years, we've seen transformation. We've seen impact. We've seen lives made better. Thank you to our forever team captain of One Butuan, Mayor Ronnie Vic, and his constant supporters, his wife, Titing, and family. Salamat. Of course, all of this would not have been possible without the competence and support of another pillar. Mayor-elect Lau Fortun, who is always inspired by his wife, Therese, and family. And of course, the 16th Sangguniang Panlunsod. As Vice Mayor, Attorney Lau led the transformation of not only of our institutions, but also how these institutions delivered public service. His race 1616 is truly commendable. Let me also thank our incoming Vice Mayor, Ray Dishata, and his wife, Sam, and family, our outgoing councilors, Cherry May, John Hill, Ernest, Cromwell, Omar, Doc Ed, and incoming councilors, Glenn, TG, Rema, Dendo, Dennis, Clint, Carlo, Ronnie, and Omar. And councilors, Ferdinand, Victor, Arturo, Gemma, and Otep. And now, let me address our people, our constituents who believe in us and walk with us. Rest assured nga kung unsa ang mga gwapo nga programa sa kauluhan, kining tanan atong dalhon sa Butuan. Atong ipadayon ang serbisyo nga insakto, matinud-anon, o kinasing-kasing serbisyo nga patas o walay gipili. Ihatag ang atong para sa katawhan o ipadayon ang maayong pakig-uban sa kongresyo o lokal kakagamhanan. Kami ni Lau Fortun, Mayor Lau Fortun, dapat masanay na ako, no? Dili na Vice. Kami ni Mayor Lau Fortun o Vice Mayor Ray Dishata uban ni Team Captain RCL. Nagkahiusa under one team, one vision, one Butuan para sa padayon nga paglagsik sa dakbayan. And before I end, I'd like also to acknowledge our former city mayor of Butuan City, Daisy Plaza. Finally, let me thank again my wife, my family, and every Butuanon for the support, and above all, Almighty God. Thank you, and may God continue to bless the city of Butuan.